Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to reboot Motorola Edge 60. Okay, so let's begin. So, the process is really easy. I'm sure that all of you can handle it. So, to reboot this device, all we need to do is to tap the power button and the volume up button at the same time to launch the power menu. Just like that. And now all you need to do is to simply tap on the restart button. Now, as you can see, the screen went black, and now within a few seconds the phone will be automatically turned on back again and ready to use. Simple reboot, just like I did 2 seconds ago, is good for your phone from time to time, because during the process you basically delete some of the background processes, and it also frees up some RAM. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.